Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I have a lot of things that I want to get accomplished and get done. I have been kind of postponing a lot of things just because I've been working so much on getting the orders shipped out and ready to go. And I should probably bulk make my items, but the type of stuff that I sell on Etsy is the type of stuff that can be customizable. Today I have planned to clean the office. It is currently kind of upside down and it's feeling a little cramped just because I have stuff everywhere, and this happens to me all the time when I get into a groove or a flow of doing something specific. Everything around me becomes chaos, which is kind of strange, but it's what is my typical pattern, and I want to break out of that habit and break out of the pattern of just having everything scattered all over the place. But it is very difficult for me to do, especially at a time like this during the holiday season and the holiday rush. I have stuff everywhere. So yes, I want to get the studio cleared up. I also want to design some things on my GLOWFORGE, and I want to post more videos on TikTok. I'm becoming very active on TikTok and it's so much fun interacting with you all and interacting with the community. It's just really cute and really fun to do. However, since I'm used to this horizontal format, the vertical format is so difficult for me to figure out, and my brain is like, surely shoot in horizontal, and I'm like, no, TikTok, it's vertical, I have to do vertical. And it's just, I'm gonna learn for 2021. I'll be posting a lot more content on TikTok. I love it, and if y'all have heard of it, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're considering making an account, let me know too. It's a lot of fun. We can be each other's buddies there and just, you know, buddy. And the last thing I want to get accomplished for today is actually create more glitter ornaments. I made these gorgeous black glitter ornaments a while back and I absolutely love the way they looked, and I've been trying to think of what custom saying I can put on them, and I think I'm gonna go with I am in a minimal, I am an original. So it will be like a front and back kind of deal, and they can customize either the front or the back side of it, and it will be so cute. Yes, so that is the goal for today. Let's hope I accomplish all of the things that I set out to do. I really want to get started on orders so that I can ship them out before noon. It is 7:30 a.m. right now. Hopefully I can get everything done and then get this video up online by at least 3 p.m. I don't know if that will be the case or not, but if you're seeing this video, hi from the other side of editing. All right, let's get started with the day.